Hi, I'm Mike Palmer. I'm the CIO for the City of Victoria. The City of Victoria is the capital for British Columbia. We're constantly voted one of the most livable cities in North America. The services that my department supports for the city, that's everything from financial services to engineering and public works, parks and recreation, so quite a number of city departments. Cyber protection and business resilience are two of the highest priorities for the city, and that's why we need a solution like Veeam to ensure that we're well protected and we can get back up and running as fast as possible. And so we have a lot of infrastructure in the background to support that, including hyper-converged infrastructure. We also have infrastructure as a service in Azure. We're also using SaaS applications, and we also provide the cyber protection for the city. Our vision with data protection is 100% confidence. We need to make sure that our backup systems are simple, reliable, and efficient. And so if we have an issue, we need 100% confidence that we're going to recover from that. We have a combination of on-prem and cloud workloads. We're in a hybrid. We have Azure Stack HCI, we have M365, we have a number of other SaaS solutions in place. For the foreseeable future, we will be a hybrid cloud environment. The City of Victoria can't afford data loss. So we employ systems that are 100% reliable. Our Veeam backups we're snapshotting data all day, every day, and we're 100% confident in our backups. My favorite thing about Veeam has been the granularity, the ease of licensing, the simplicity of the product. It gives our staff, between the solution we had before Veeam and now, 5 to 10 hours a week back in their day. So that's time that they can spend helping our customers. Our staff were super excited about Veeam and everything that they read about it. We did a pilot before we purchased Veeam. It just works. It's 100% reliable for our team, and it gives us time back in the day. So you can't argue with that.